back to my channel. I know this video is gonna be cringy, y'all. It's gonna be cringy, but it's the hood way. My hair look. I just came out of school, but I'm sure you slime pet peeve. So let's get right into it. When they don't pop the bubbles. When they breathe way too hard. When they poke way too weirdly. When the slime breaks. When they don't know how to play with it. When the camera's way too shaky. When there's noise in the background. Billy, where's my phone? Alright guys, that was my video. Ray help me. I know this is super cringy, y'all, but this is a little video. Make sure you guys subscribe. I post, if you look at my channel, I post like videos of my brothers of them being bad. So peace. Bye, hood.